Today, we're making a rich and cheesy tuna pasta. Let's start by bringing a pot of water to a boil and add the salt. Now add the pasta. Cook according to the package instructions until perfectly al dente. While the pasta cooks, finely chop the shallot. If you don't have a shallot, a small onion is a perfect alternative and works just as well in this recipe. Now, finely chop the garlic. Freshly chopped garlic adds a wonderful depth of flavour to the dish. Next, chop the green bell pepper into small pieces. It adds natural sweetness and beautiful colour. Now, chop the red bell pepper to match the same size. This helps everything cook evenly and gives the pasta a lovely, fresh flavour. Heat the olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the butter and let it melt completely. Add the finely chopped shallot. Now add the finely chopped garlic. Cook for about 2 minutes, stirring occasionally until the shallot has softened and the garlic is fragrant. This creates a rich, flavourful base for the whole dish. Add the chopped red bell pepper. Now add the chopped green bell pepper. Cook for another 2 minutes, stirring occasionally until softened. This brings out their natural sweetness and adds beautiful colour to the pasta. Here I'm using 2 5.1 ounce, 145 grams cans of tuna, but any good quality canned tuna will work perfectly. Now add the drained tuna. Gently break it into bite-sized pieces with your spoon. Cook for another 3 to 4 minutes, allowing the tuna to absorb the buttery garlic and sweet pepper flavours while heating through. By now, the pasta should be perfectly cooked. Before draining, reserve a little of the pasta water. A small splash later will help create a silky, glossy sauce. Drain the pasta and add it straight into the pan. Gently toss everything together until every piece of pasta is coated in the flavourful tuna mixture. Grate the Parmigiano Reggiano. Freshly grated cheese melts beautifully into the sauce. Now sprinkle over the freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano. Keep the heat nice and low while stirring. This helps the cheese melt smoothly into the pasta, creating a rich and creamy sauce without becoming grainy. If needed, add a splash of the reserved pasta water. It brings everything together beautifully and gives the sauce a lovely, silky finish. Finely chop the fresh parsley. Adding it at the end keeps its fresh flavour and vibrant colour. Finish with the freshly chopped parsley. Give everything one final gentle toss. Now it's time to serve. Just look at that. Creamy, cheesy pasta coated in a silky sauce with tender flakes of tuna and colourful sweet peppers in every bite. Simple ingredients transformed into a rich, comforting meal that's perfect for any day of the week. I only wish you could enjoy the wonderful aroma through the screen. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks so much for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next one.